The hubraum IoT program with Microsoft is all about transferring startup innovation into the deal flow and to the portfolios of Deutsche Telekom.
Great energy, great people. We have them from all over Europe, all over the world actually. The people here today are from small companies and very disruptive and like to go at things really fast.
We pick up startups to figure out a business model together with Deutsche Telekom to build something great.
Here I'm very open-minded and looking really for new ideas to really get fancy new stuff in the portfolio with new sensors to enable new use cases.
I'm the CEO of BS2 Sicherheitssysteme. We are a young German company focusing on monitoring and sensor solutions for infrastructure buildings. With sensors integrated into bridges, tunnels, parking structures, harbor walls, skyscrapers. We help our customers to recognize damages inside their buildings at a very early stage, and so reduce their maintenance and repair costs in a very high level and make the building more safe and more sustainable.
You have to meet, you have to talk, and along the way you will find the business that you will build.
We can manage and bring the startups from different points where they are into our portfolios.
We are the guys with underground IoT, a very unique, truly wireless underground monitoring system that is able to transmit an underground information from up to 2 meters. We have customers like Wembley Stadium, New England Patriots, Philadelphia Phillies, New York Mets. We help them to save water and electricity and of course labor.
They're well equipped with knowledge, they're well equipped with technology. The teams are all great.